Okay, we've got a recurring decimal here. We're going to change it into a fraction. Now you may already know what the actual answer is here, but here's a technique for getting there if you don't know. What we do is we say that x equals our number to begin with. Now if we multiply this number by 100, we'd get 100x. Now multiplying that by 100 would give me 16.6666. If you notice, I've got the same number repeating after the decimal point. Now let's go back to our original number. What would happen if I just multiplied that by 10? Well, I'd have 1.666. Now don't forget, this is recurring after the decimal point. Next step, this is a bit of a trick. Well, it's not a trick, it's, if you've got some experience you'll have seen it and it's very useful. If I subtract 100x, if I get 10x and take away from 100x, I'm left with 90x. Now, if I do this to this side as well, 16.666 take 1.666 leaves me 15. All of my recurring decimals have now gone. I can now solve this. If I divide both sides by 90, I get 15 over 90. Cancel this down. You got 3 5s in 15. 5s into 90 will go 18. This will cancel again to 1/6. So I've now been able to get the recurring decimal 0.16666, and that's actually 1/6, which if you check on your calculator is absolutely true. Here's another one. I'm going to use the same sort of idea. I've just made this one up, so let's see what happens with it. If we say x is this number, I'm going to multiply so that I get all the repeating decimals up to the same point as the decimal. Well, in this case I've only got to multiply that by 10. X equals 3.124124, carrying on forever. So I've got to repeat that in a different manner with this number again. So really I want to get 124 there. So instead of multiplying by 10, which would move everything along once, I want to move it 4 places, because then I'll have the 1 repeating again. So that means I'm going to times that by 10,000. And that will give me, if you think 1, 2, 3, 4, give me 3124.124, etc. Okay, I'm going to do the subtraction now. This is the larger number, so 10,000x take away 10x is 9990x. And then if I get this one and take away that one, I lose all of the recurring decimals, and that will leave me with just 3121. Well, going to do my division now. X equals 3121 over 9990, and then I check to see if anything cancels.